everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. We're going to do some nice green bananas today with some curry chunks. Now you've seen me peel the banana in my previous video, so now I'm going to show you guys how I make it in the skin. What we're going to do now is to just cut the head of the banana off, slit it in the middle just the same. And this is for persons who really and truly can't bother to peel the banana. And you know you're on the go and you just want your nice boiled banana without peeling it off. This is the way to go. And I enjoy my bananas both ways. And remember, you want to cut off both ends and pour along the vein. To our boiling water here, I've added a teaspoon of vinegar and salt. What I'm going to do now is to just add in the remaining bananas, and 15 minutes through the cooking time of the bananas, I want you to add the pumpkin. I don't want you to add it now and then the pumpkin become overcooked while the banana isn't fully cooked. Alright, here we have our rehydrated veggie chunks. And you can see that brown liquid that is inside of it. I don't want you to cook with that at all, because that is what have the taste that I think most of us do not enjoy. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it like a rinse. And while I'm going to rinse it, I will do it 4 times and squeeze out that brown liquid from it. Right, so I want you guys to do the same. Alright, so my chunks is looking nice. What I'm going to do, guys, is to add in some garlic powder. All-purpose seasoning, because I like to sometimes season my chunks before I start cooking it, so the flavor can, you know, soak through. Some black pepper, some salt. And if you're going to season your chunks before you cook it, guys, I suggest you do it like a few hours before. Even overnight is even better. But because I wanted to do everything for you guys, I do it this way. So I'll just rest this aside for 15 minutes or so, and then I return to it. Alright, let us prepare the seasonings that we're going to use in our curry chunks. I have here 1.5 of onion, I have a potato, and the potato kind of help to thicken the gravy. I have a Scotch bonnet pepper as well. Okay, so in our pot here, we're going to add our seasonings. Onions as well. Going in with 4 cloves of garlic. And as soon as it starts to smell your aromatic, you add 2 teaspoons of curry, going in with some coriander as well, a few seeds of pimento berries, and we want to sweat these seasonings, right? Adding our potatoes and carrots, going in with a little bit of water. If you have vegetable stock, go right ahead and use it because the vegetable stock is just adding more flavor to this. All right, now this is a good time to go in with your chunks. Okay guys, let's take a look at our bananas and see how they're coming along. And if you notice, when your banana is cooked, the skin will just start to push off. You see that? That's what you can look for, right? Or you can just simple poke the knife, poke the fork through it, and you will see if it's tender enough for you. Okay guys, pretty much we're almost done. What I'm going to do is to just freshen up the curry with some more seasoning. Our chunks has finished cooking now. I want you to remember something. If you're cooking, for example, this recipe, and you find that your gravy is not thickening up properly, what you can do is just take up one of your potato or two or a couple slices, and you just mash them and put them back in the gravy, right? So you see my gravy kind of look nice and have a little body to it. This is it now, you know guys, ready to eat, ready to serve. I hope you enjoy this video. This is very easy. I hope you even try it and let me know. All right, let me peel one of the banana before we close out. And for our banana, just come out of the pot. So easy. Look at that. Come to bun up myself today, guys. So nice and soft. You remove the skin and you serve it. Look at that. How nice and soft. Oh my gosh, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time. Bye.